Levy?
Yeah.
What would you do if I decide not to have kids anymore?
Impossible.
Why?
You have to have kids.
Why?
How else am I gonna try the milk?
The milk?
Yeah, the milk.
What do you mean?
Listen, every guy is curious. You can ask any guy on the planet. They're curious about what it tastes like, okay? And you're not gonna let me taste some random lady's milk. So I need you to have my child so I can try the milk.
So the only reason you want me to have a kid is so that you can try my milk?
Baby, that's not the only reason, okay? It's because, I want to raise a child and do all that extra stuff and whatever. But the main reason is that